Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and happy. So as you know by the title, in today's video I'm going to be talking about something which people don't generally talk about. It is about the meaning behind the placement of your pimples. By placement of your pimple means that why do pimples appear like in the specific area of your face, like it could be chin, it could be cheeks, it could be forehead, it could be nose, and I'm going to be talking about 5-6 areas and the reasons behind them. So if you're someone who's suffering from acne or pimples in some specific part of your face, or you always have pimples popping out on that certain area, through this video you might know that why do they come, and you can work on that and fix your acne and pimple. So if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Megha and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without further delay, let's get started with this video. So the first area that we have is our forehead. Now if you're someone who has bags or fringes, the constant contact of your hair can cause irritation on your forehead skin, and it can cause irritation, acne. And the second reason is your hair or hair hygiene. If you are not keeping your hair clean all the time, it can cause acne on the forehead. And if you are someone who is suffering from dandruff, dandruff falls on the shoulders and the forehead. So whenever that dandruff is not removed from the forehead, it can clog your pores, and that can cause acne and pimples on the forehead. And the third reason is due to your hormonal imbalance, so there is nothing you can do. But if you identify that you are not washing your hair often, or you are suffering from dandruff, or if you are having bangs, try keeping the bangs away from the forehead. Find a solution for treating your dandruff. Now the second area that we have is our temples and our eyebrows. Now temples and eyebrows acne are directly related to liver. So if you're having alcohol and your liver is also affected by heavily processed junk food or like oily food, so if you want to get rid of the acne from your temples and eyebrows, I suggest you start having a clean diet and look out for your alcohol intake. Now coming to cheeks. Cheeks are the largest area of a face, and it has the most oil pores or sebaceous gland pores. Now if you are exposed to too much high heat and your body temperature is rising, you can see acne all over your cheeks. The constant contact of your hands and your cell phones. Now your hands are dirty, and if you keep touching it, the pores might be open, might be closed, but you're touching it and you're directly letting all the germs on your hands come on your cheeks, and that will cause acne. And if your cell phone's screens are dirty, then you are like holding your phone like this, and all of this is touching your cheek, and therefore there will be acne on your cheek. Now coming to the nose. The pimples on the nose are affected by poor circulation of blood or some heart condition that you're having. Apart from the health conditions, we also have many pores around the nose, and we get blackheads. So if those blackheads are not removed, then the pores are clogged, and that can also cause acne. So please make sure you're actually scrubbing your nose area if you get blackheads often. Now coming to the area which is lips and mouth. I'm pretty sure very rarely people get pimples around their lips and mouth, but if you're getting, it is because of your lot of consumption of your spicy and oily food, which can cause irritation around your this lips and mouth area. Plus the toothpaste that you might be using may also cause pimples, because it might be causing irritation around the skin of your lips and mouth. So try to switch the toothpaste if you think that could be a reason, and try to limit your intake of oily and spicy food. Now women get mostly acne on their chin, so you need to relax, because that happens due to our sexual hormones. It can happen at that time of the month. So if you're having acne near or around that time of the month, so that is your hormones acting up, that you can do nothing about. But if you are having constant acne on your chin, that could be related to your liver. It means that your liver is not healthy, your liver is not working properly. So you need to take control of your diet and your alcohol intake as well. So that's it for this video. I have listed almost 6 areas of our face where we get acne and the reason behind it. And if you have identified your reason behind it, I would tell you to start working on it, and you might see a difference, because these are some reasons which we don't usually see. We just think about treating the acne rather than knowing the reason behind of their occurrence. So with this, we come to this end of this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.